In July 2024, the world watched as a new aviation giant took flight, not from Seattle or Toulouse but from Shanghai. The COMAC C929, China's first domestically developed wide-body jet, set out on a grueling 12,000-kilometer non-stop test flight, aiming to connect Beijing to New York in a single leap. This was more than a technical trial. It was a bold statement of China's intent to challenge the global aviation order. For decades, Boeing and Airbus have dominated the lucrative long-haul market with their Dreamliner and A350 jets. The C929's flight was a direct challenge to this duopoly, every mile flown a step toward breaking their hold on the skies. The aircraft performed flawlessly, its advanced systems and crew proving the results of years of research and national determination. Completing the 12,000-kilometer journey, the C929 demonstrated China's arrival as a serious player in the wide-body jet market. This was not just a technical achievement, it was a geopolitical event, signaling the success of China's Made in China 2025 strategy. The C929 had proven its range, endurance, and potential. The question was no longer if China could build a long-haul jet, but how soon it would reshape the business of flying. The game had changed. The world's skies would never be the same. The COMAC C929 isn't just a copy of Western jets. It's a purpose-built, twin-aisle aircraft designed for the long-haul market. With seating for 250 to 400 passengers and a range of 12,000 kilometers, it competes directly with Boeing and Airbus. Advanced aerodynamics and extensive use of carbon fiber composites make it lighter and more fuel-efficient. Inside, a wider fuselage allows for more spacious seating and modern amenities, larger bins, LED lighting, and advanced air filtration. The digital cockpit features customizable displays, enhancing pilot awareness and safety. Many systems are sourced globally, but their integration into a Chinese-designed platform is a major achievement. The C929 is a synthesis of global technology and Chinese ambition. It's built to compete on performance, efficiency, and passenger experience. This is what makes it a true game-changer. For decades, Boeing and Airbus have shaped the global aircraft market. The C929 is the most significant challenge to their dominance in a generation, targeting the profitable long-haul sector. With a homegrown alternative, China's airlines, projected to buy thousands of jets, are expected to favor the C929, redirecting billions from Seattle and Toulouse to Shanghai. COMAC's competitive pricing will appeal to airlines in Asia, Africa, and Latin America, especially those aligned with China's Belt and Road Initiative. Attractive financing and modern technology make the C929 a compelling choice for emerging markets. This new competition will force Boeing and Airbus to respond with discounts, better financing, or faster innovation. The C929's arrival ends the era of a predictable duopoly. The battle for the skies is now a three-way contest. Airlines and passengers stand to benefit from this new dynamic. The global aviation landscape is about to change. The C929's debut has sparked both concern and intrigue across the aviation world. Western industry leaders see it as a long-term threat, but remain skeptical about COMAC's ability to secure international certification and build a global support network. Without approval from European and U.S. regulators, the C929's reach will be limited. Yet many airlines outside North America and Western Europe welcome a third supplier, hoping for lower prices and more innovation. Airlines in countries close to China are likely early adopters, eager to diversify fleets and align with Beijing. Aerospace suppliers see opportunity but tread carefully amid geopolitical tensions and export controls. The C929 relies on a global supply chain, but Western companies must balance commercial interests with political risks. The industry is watching closely as China's ambitions reshape the market. The C929's success or failure will have global repercussions. The world is bracing for a new era in aviation. The C929's journey began as a China-Russia joint venture, but disagreements led China to take full control in 2023, rebranding the jet as the C929. The project became a national priority, central to the Made in China 2025 strategy. Key milestones followed. The first fuselage section was targeted for 2027, and a prototype was promised soon after. The successful 12,000-kilometer test flight in summer 2024 transformed the C929 from concept to reality. At the Zhuhai Air Show, Air China was named launch customer, signaling strong domestic support. COMAC aims for Chinese certification by 2032 and commercial service by 2035. The timeline is ambitious but reflects China's determination to master wide-body jet production. Each milestone brings the C929 closer to reshaping global aviation. The world is watching China's progress. The C929 is more than an airplane. It's a symbol of China's ambition to move from factory to innovator. As a centerpiece of Made in China 2025, it marks China's push to design and build high-tech products at home. The C929 builds on lessons from the C919, aiming for self-sufficiency in both short and long-haul markets. By developing its own jets, China keeps more wealth at home and gains leverage as an aerospace exporter. The C929 is also a tool of diplomacy, offered to partners as part of the Belt and Road Initiative. Mastering wide-body jet production signals China's arrival as a global technology leader. The project inspires national pride and demonstrates China's growing influence. The C929 is set to become the dragon's wings, carrying China's ambitions worldwide. The C929's arrival gives airlines a powerful new bargaining chip, ending the Boeing-Airbus duopoly. Increased competition means better prices, more favorable terms, and greater fleet flexibility. Airlines can diversify, reducing reliance on a single manufacturer and tailoring fleets to their needs. For state-owned and allied carriers, buying the C929 aligns with national goals. Passengers benefit too. The C929's design promises a more comfortable modern cabin with wider seats, better air, and quieter engines. Competition will spur innovation in cabin design across the industry. Lower acquisition costs could mean cheaper long-haul fares. The C929's range may open new non-stop routes, making travel more convenient. The future of flying is about to get more comfortable and more accessible. The COMAC C929 marks a seismic shift in global aviation, breaking the Western duopoly and ushering in a new era of competition. Its development showcases China's mastery of complex engineering and manufacturing, nurturing a new generation of aerospace talent. The C929's success will expand global connectivity, especially for nations within China's sphere of influence. Passengers can expect more options, lower fares, and better in-flight experiences as competition heats up. The C929 is a harbinger of a multipolar aerospace industry. Its journey is a testament to ambition and determination, challenging the established order. Whether it dominates or simply competes, the C929 has already changed the game. The skies are about to become more contested and more exciting than ever before.